Shalom friends, welcome to part 3 of this series on how to enable Internet Explorer mode for domain-joined computers using Active Directory. So the next step will be to download the Microsoft Edge admx and adml files and transfer them to the Active Directory, the same policy definition folder that you've just created above. So we are only interested on, for the admx, we are interested on Microsoft Edge admx and MS Edge update admx. For the language, this varies. So for my case, I only have one language, that is English US. So if you have more than one language, you can as well do the same. So what I would recommend is that you can download these files from the client machine, then transfer them to a network share, then copy them and paste to this policy definition folder. So I will head over to my client machine to show you how it's done. This is my client machine. So what you can do is that load your browser, that is Edge, and search for Edge for Business. Then select Download Microsoft Edge for Business. Scroll down. Under Channel or Version, select the current stable version of Microsoft Edge. For Build, the same, 91, the topmost one. And for Platform, Windows 64 bits. And then from here, you need to get the policy files. So for my case, I had already downloaded these files. So I'll show you where I store these files in my client machine. So I created a folder named Administrative Templates. And then this is the zip file. So I extracted it. And then as you can see, I have 4 sets of folders. So we are interested in Windows, admx, and then you scroll down. So you need these two, Microsoft Edge admx and Microsoft Edge updates. Copy these two files to Active Directory, to the same policy definition folder that you've created. As you can see, my network share, it's opened up. So sysvol, your domain, policies, then policy definitions. So you need to paste the admx files here. For the language, do the same. You need to go back to your extracted files in your client. This is my client. So I'll go for English US folder and copy the adml files for that language, all of them, and paste to English US folder. You paste here. So if you have a different language, you can as well do the same. Copy the files for your respective language and paste them respectively in Active Directory. So once that is done, we can proceed to the next step.